Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel in Krishang Learning. In today's video, we learn some beautiful colors in French. So friends, let's start. Red. We say red in French, rouge. Rouge. R-O-U-G-E. Rouge. Next, black. We say black in French, noir. Noir. N-O-I-R. Noir. Next, yellow. We say yellow in French, jaune. 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 Next, pink. We say pink in French, rose. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Next, brown. We say brown in French, marron. Marron. M-A-R-R-O-N. Marron. Next, purple. We say purple in French, violet. Violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. Next, orange. We say orange in French, orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Next, blue. We say blue in French, bleu. Bleu. B-L-E-U. Bleu. Next, green. We say green in French, vert. Vert. V-E-R-T. Vert. Next, gray. We say gray in French, gris. Gris. G-R-I-S. Gris. That's all for the day. We meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.